Hey guys, today is finally the day my car gets tinted for the first time. My 1986 Monte Carlo is currently getting 40% tint all around except for the front windshield. And today I'm excited to show what it looks like. Right now it's currently under our time lapse. He's doing it right now. I just want to give a huge shout out to Detail Driven for helping me get this tint finally done on my car. He does great work and I recommend anyone in the area comes down and sees him because he does a fantastic job with cars, buildings, you name it, he tints it.
What can the best mechanic in LS do for you?